flight PR209 bound for Melbourne. Please board the aircraft now through gate S2. This is your final call. All aboard, please.
Excuse me, madam. Hi. Are you traveling to Australia on 797? Yes. Madam, I am a little bit overweight in my luggage and they are asking me to pay $120 to clear my luggage. And as I can see, you have only one bag. Can you take this small bag from me and I can take it from the other side of the immigration? It's just my shoes and my underwears are in it. No, I don't think so. I'll be able to take. I would highly appreciate for that, ma'am. If you could take it, you will save me $120. Oh, $120, that's big amount. See, ma'am, it's not even that heavy. So, yeah. Yeah, that's fine, I will have it. And I will be here in front of you in the queue, ma'am. Yeah, don't worry, we're traveling at the same place. I'll leave it in the safe hands. Thank you. Excuse me, madam? Yes?
Final call for boarding.
This bag is a suspect bag. Do you mind if we check on it?
Last remaining
Yeah, you can.
Philippine Airlines
Is everything
flight
alright?
PR209
Well, actually, this bag is for
This is your final call. All aboard, please.
But sir, this is not my bag. Somebody just gave it to me to clear the immigration. Trust me, sir. He was just here a minute ago. Where is he going?
Final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers. Last remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines flight PR209 bound for Melbourne. Please board the aircraft now through gate S2. This is your final call. All aboard, please.
You have to come with us for further investigation, madam. I'm sorry about that. What?